It's not a forest, and these elephants aren't members of any family herd. If you want to know more about them, what they eat, where they live, and what they do, especially the activities of these 4 male elephants, click the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. In this video, we're in a tea garden in Sonitpur. We are familiar with these elephants because they often visit this area. Elephants use these tea plantations as refuge sites. That day, the elephants were near a rail line, and several children were watching them from the track. It fascinates me to hear children talking about elephants. You can listen to their voices in the background. One kid is daring his friend to move his ears like an elephant. These elephants were exhausted, and one was trying to relax by leaning against a shade tree. One of the boys thought the elephant was trying to break the tree, so he kept encouraging the elephant to break the tree so they could take it and use it as firewood. There are many legends about these elephants in the tea gardens and villages of the district. It has been quite a while since we have followed them, and we will soon share some of what we have learned. Anyhow, have you ever seen an elephant yawn? According to researchers, all animals yawn. Elephants, therefore, would probably yawn, but videos of elephants yawning are rare. As you have just seen, the elephant slowly opens its mouth, followed by a frozen pose, and then makes a rapid, snappy closure. Other than this video, there is only one video available in the public domain. That video shows 2 Asian elephants yawning at the San Diego Zoo.